So in this video, we'll talk about Everest Forms payment fields. Payment fields are really helpful if you have the payment add-ons such as PayPal Standard activated. So let's get started. Single item. You can use this field to set the price on a single item. You can also customize it even further by changing its feature through the field options. You can get started by changing the label, meta key, and also adding the description for the field. Next on, you can set the price for your item by typing in the price with this option called item price right here. Next, you can also choose the item type by choosing between three options. First we have is the predefined option. If you choose the predefined option, users won't be able to change the item price later in the front end. So this means the price you have set for your item will be displayed as it is, as your users won't be able to choose the price. If you choose the user-defined option, your users can change the item price from the front end. And next one is the hidden option. So if the single item input type is hidden, it will not be displayed on the front end, and the price set on the item price will be the product's price directly. Moving on, you can enable the tooltip option for your form field and also change other options under the advanced settings, which includes placeholder text, height label, CSS classes, and lastly you can also enable the conditional logic for your field.